If you're looking to give your Indian Scout a sleek, low-profile look while still maintaining cruising comfort, this Corbin Hollywood Solo seat is a perfect upgrade. The seat is designed with high-density comfort cell foam and a genuine leather seating, and that's going to give you both the style and support for long rides that you're looking for. You can find this seat through the link in our description below or at our website at accessoryinternational.com. This is a Corbin Hollywood Solo seat, and it's made to fit all Scout models and installs easily using the included mounting brackets. The ergonomic design provides a great weight distribution while keeping a low profile, stealthy look on your Scout. The narrow sculpted front allows for better ground clearance at stoplights, and the high density comfort cell foam ensures a firm yet supportive ride without the excess bulk on the top of your seat. The Neutralized seating platform is going to help prevent you from sliding down, and you can choose a variety of different colors and stitching designs throughout the seat. Now, in terms of material and durability, Corbin uses genuine leather for all of the seating areas up top here, ensuring a real breathable and luxurious feel that's going to break in over time for a real custom fit as you break your seat in. The FiberTech base pan on the bottom is going to provide a precise fit to your tank, your chassis, and your fender, and there's a set of rubber bumpers on the bottom to protect your paint from scratches as you install the seat as well. There's a wide range of color and material options that you can choose from to get your seat just the way you want it, so make sure you head over to our site and choose it to customize it exactly the way that you're looking for. Now, the seat is going to mount directly to the stock chassis using the included hardware, and it's compatible with both the standard and the bobber style fenders. The seat is designed to work seamlessly with the Indian Scout factory setup for a real hassle-free install. Now, overall, the Corbin Hollywood Solo seat is a perfect mix of form and function, giving your Indian Scout that clean, custom look without sacrificing the comfort of your bike. Now, my name is Alex at Accessories International. If you have any questions, we've been doing this for over 25 years, so give us a call, 786-242-5400. If you found any value out of this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for tuning in. See you next time.